There has been plenty of talk about artificial intelligence lately, and it is natural to wonder what it really means for those working at the university. The good news is that AI is not here to take over anyone's job. It is here to make your workday smoother, easier, and a little more productive. Think of it as a helpful assistant that never gets tired or takes a coffee break. For faculty, AI tools can help pull together lesson plans, create outlines, summarize readings, or even draft quiz questions. Imagine saving hours by letting AI handle the routine prep work so you can spend more time teaching, connecting with students, and focusing on what you do best. For staff, AI can pitch in with scheduling, writing polished emails, taking meeting notes, or helping organize reports and data. It is also great for brainstorming event ideas, managing announcements, or simply cutting through your inbox faster. The best part is, you are always in control. AI works best when it partners with your expertise. It supports your decisions. It doesn't make them for you. By letting technology handle the small stuff, you free up time for the big things: creativity, collaboration, and the people that make our campus community thrive. Try this. Open an AI tool like UT or Microsoft Copilot and ask, "Give me 3 ways to save 10 minutes a day at work." You might be surprised by what you learn and how quickly a simple idea can make your day easier.